Dear children, let me next move on to our calculation on that is 100th rod. Okay, already we have discussed that is 1's rod, 10's rod, and now we are moving to that is 100 level and 2-digit addition and single digit addition. Single digit addition and 2-digit addition, that is we have discussed in previous video. Okay, I hope you understand well. Okay, let me move on to the next level, that is addition of hundreds. Okay, here that is this rod is the 100 rod. Okay, I will remind you 1's, 10's, this one is the 100. Okay, third rod 1's, 10's and 100. Okay, let me start our addition with simple, that is 100 number. Okay, already we have did that is 10's, 60 plus 40 like that. Now we are moving to the 100 addition. Okay, first addition, that is 100 plus that is 400. Okay, so how to move that is 100 and 400? We have to move the beads on the 100, that is third rod, 1, 2, 3, third rod, and I will remind you that is each bead values 100. Okay, here the value is 10 and here the value is 1. Okay, here the value of each bead, that is 100. Okay, let me start the addition with 3-digit number. First number, that is 100. So simply moving one bead. Okay, and next number, that is 400. So you have to move 4 beads here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, write down the answer now. That is 1's place, that is 0. 10's place, that is 0. And the third rod, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down the number. What's the answer, children? 500. Okay, listen here, that is 5, 0, 0, that is 500. Okay, move back to the 0 level on Abacus. After you finish each sum, come back to the 0 level. You have to arrange the bead on 0 level on Abacus. Okay, next we move on to the next sum. Okay, that is 200. Okay, plus 600. How do we move now? We have to move the bead 100th rod, that is third rod. Okay, 200. You have to move 2 beads. So 1, 2, that is 200. Next, what number then? What's the next number? That is a 600. So how to move? You have to move 6 beads in the 100th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now write down the answer here, children. This is 0 and this is 0, 10's place, and the final, that is count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down here. What's the answer now? 800. Okay, observe here, 800, 800. Okay, let me move on to the next sum, children. Come back to the 0 position. Okay, and next we move on to this, that is, listen here, that is, question is, that is 800 plus 200. Okay, listen here carefully, do this, that is 800, 8 beads. You have to move 8 beads in third rod. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what's the next number? That is 200. You have to move 2 beads. So 1 and 2. Listen here, 100 beads equal to that of 1000 bead. So move 1 bead and take back this 100 beads. Listen here. What's the answer now? Write down the answer here. That is 0. 0 in the tens place. 0 in the hundred place. And this is a hundred. That is thousand place. That is 1. What is the answer now? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1000. So simple. Okay. Move on to the 0 level. Okay children. Next sum I will show this type of, that is answer will be 1000. Okay. Next sum, that is 600 plus 400. Okay. Listen here. That is 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What's the next number? That is 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 10 100 bead equal to that of 1000 bead. So move this 1000 bead and take back this beads. Write down the answer. 0, 0, 0, and this is 1. So answer is 1000. Okay children. Next I will give you 3-digit number and 2-digit number and explain this. That is a simple addition, how to move the beads on all over these 4 rod. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Let me move on to the next sum. Listen here. That is 3-digit number and 25, that is 2-digit number, and the single digit number. Okay. How to do this sum? First number is the 3-digit number, second one is the 2-digit number, and third one, that is the single digit number. First you have to move this 717. Okay. That is for 700. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And next one is 1 and 7 in ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 717. Okay children. Next, that is 25. So 20 means there is a tens place. So move 2 numbers. 1, 2. Here is 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3, that is 4, 5. And last number, that is 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 9. Okay. Write down the answer for 1. That is tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay children. So answer is 751. Okay. By adding these 3-digit number, here 3-digit with 2-digit and single digit, and next number, that is the 0 level. Come back to the 0 position on abacus. Okay children. Let me move on to the 3-digit number with 3-digit number. How to do this? Listen here. 612. Okay. And 418 addition. That is 612 plus 418. How to make this? Listen here. First, that is 612. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 1 for tens place and 2, 1, 2. 612. Okay. Plus 418. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 18, that is 1. And here, that is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. Count this, okay, 0, 3, and here that is 10 beads, so move this, and 1000 bead. So here is a 0 and 1. So answer is 1030. 1030. 1030. How to read this? 1030. So simply adding moving digits and beads on the 100 place rod by simple 3 digit with 3 digit number, and mixing of 3 digit, 2 digit and single digit addition, and random number of, that is, this is the ending 0 number, but this is a different 3 digit number, again 3 digit number added with next 3 digit number, and the answer is the 1000 column number. Okay, I hope you understand well and practice well, children. Next we move on to the 10,000 level in the next video.